Today, we're tackling a common issue, the dreaded Windows Update Service Missing error. If you've ever encountered this problem, this video is for you. Step 1. Checking Windows Update Service. The first thing you want to do is check if the Windows Update service is running. You can do this by opening the Services window. Look for Windows Update in the list. If it's not running, right-click on it and select Start. Step 2. Fixing Registry Key. If starting the service didn't do the trick, let's move on to the next step. We'll check a crucial registry key. Open the registry editor. Go to Hosty Local Machine, then System, Current Control Set, Services, and find wowserv. Make sure the start value is set to 2. If it's not, right-click, Modify, and set it to 2. Step 3. Restarting Windows Update Service. Now, let's give the Windows Update service another nudge. Go back to the Services window, right-click on Windows Update, and select Restart. And there you have it. With a quick check of the services and a tweak in the registry, you should be able to fix the Windows Update service missing issue. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech solutions. If you have any other Windows-related issues you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy computing!